In this lesson, you will add a slope to the roof slab of the structure to allow for roof drainage conditions. For this exercise, you will only modify one section of the roof. Also, you will add a new insulation layer. You will modify the slab construction to more accurately reflect the actual construction of the roof and the way the slope will be accommodated in the insulation of the roof. Click the menu browser and select Open. Then open the file RST MDL Slope Slab. Let's draw some ridge lines. In the 3D view, select the roof slab, and from the Shape Editing panel, click Add Split Line. Then draw a ridge line to separate the longer wing of the building as shown. Then, from the Shape Editing panel, click Add Point. Then, click to add a point somewhere to the middle of the section of the roof over the longer wing to represent the roof drain location. Exact placement is not critical for this exercise. Next, let's modify the roof edge elevation. From the Shape Editing panel, click Modify Sub-Elements. Then, place the cursor over the longer wing roof edge and press Tab until Chain of Walls or Lines displays on the status bar, and click to select the chain of roof edges. Then, on the options bar, for elevation, type 6 inches and press Enter. When you do, the roof slab will then display with edges representing the sloping faces leading down to the roof drain. You can use the same method to modify the remainder of the roof to accommodate the drainage conditions. Press Escape twice, and let's create a section. In the project browser, under Structural Plans, double-click Roof. Then click the View tab, and from the Create panel, click Section. We are about to create a section through the building near the low point on the sloped section of the roof. Draw a vertical section between grid lines 6 and 7 through the longer wing of the building. Exact placement is not critical. Then press Escape, and let's open the section view. To open the section view, double-click the section head and zoom in on the roof. You can see in the section view that the slab is worked. The design specifies a slab that is flat along the bottom edge and that you create the slope using tapered insulation. Let's modify the slab construction to reflect this design. Select the roof, and from the Element Properties drop-down, select Type Properties. In the Type Properties dialog, click Duplicate, and in the Name dialog, type Concrete Deck Tapered Insulation, and click OK. Then, for the Structure Construction parameter, click Edit, and in the Edit Assembly dialog, select Layer 1 Core Boundary, and click Insert. Then, click inside the Material field for Layer 1, and then click Browse. In the Materials dialog, select Insulation, Thermal Barriers, Rigid Insulation, and click OK. Then, for its thickness, type 2 inches, and then click inside the Variable checkbox. Selecting this option allows the insulation to slope while the other layers of the roof remain horizontal. Click OK twice, And on the View control bar, select Detail Level and click Fine. Then close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file. And that concludes this lesson.